How to make your first $1,000. Bills will always keep coming, and you have to keep trying to find more ways to pay them. You don't have to wait on your parents or friends to get that financial balance you seek. We will show you how to make your first $1,000 to sort out your bills and more. Before we continue, please subscribe to our YouTube channel by hitting the subscribe button below to get a notification on our next video. Number 1. Become a transcriber. Basically, a transcriber has the job of typing up transcripts from recorded audio recordings. It's a perfect side gig for someone with a keen eye for detail, a functional computer, a good internet connection, and lightning-fast fingers. There isn't necessarily any prior experience needed, however. You may be required to take a test to ascertain your level of knowledge of the English language. Number 2. Become a nanny or a babysitter. If you are a kid lover, consider starting up a babysitting gig. Inform your friends in school and your church about your available services. People are more inclined to keep their kids in the care of persons they know personally or through a friend. Number 3. Become a pet sitter/dogwalker. If you love kids, then there's a great chance you'll also love our four-legged, doe-eyed, furry friends. So, you'd basically be paid to spend time with your loved ones. As a pet sitter, you will be required to go to people's homes to take care of their pets in their absence. Perhaps, the family wants to take a vacation, but does not want to travel with Spike. In that situation, Spike's destiny will rest solely on your pet-sitting shoulders. Plus, if you already have a dog, you can take yours as well as theirs and get to make your first $1,000 doing your regular activity. Number 4. Freelancing. This entails offering your services for a fee. Businesses and individuals are ready to pay you for simple tasks. The jobs you take on may be related to your current skills or, in many cases, so mundane that little or no expertise is required. So, if you have specialized skills in things ranging from content writing to graphic designing, makeup artistry, or web development, you could make your first $1,000. Number 5. Proofreading. Do you have an eye for detail and a good knowledge of the English language? Then, a proofreading job is just the best for you. Simply correct grammatical errors on documents and get paid. Another upside to this is, there would always be a need for proofreaders. As long as people write, they'd always need proofreaders since there are those recurrent, stubborn errors that refuse to be spotted by the writers. Number 6. Test and review new products. Some individuals and companies are willing to pay you for your opinion to improve their products, increase their sales, and expand their market share. The data that is generated when you fill out a survey, test a product, or attend focus groups is worth a lot, and companies are willing to pay you for the time you spent providing useful information. Number 7. Social Media Content Manager. Social media is a significant tool that businesses employ to promote their business and outperform their competitors. So, there's a constant need for social media content managers to manage individual or company social media accounts, reach out to followers, and create all published content to suit and relate their clients' brands. It can be done remotely and the work hours are truly flexible. If you are social media savvy, you should consider taking up this side hustle to make your first $1,000. Become an online tutor. If you also wish to teach online, but you don't want to teach English, there are platforms where you can teach other subjects like math, science, languages, humanities that you get to choose either to give scheduled classes or to be available as online support ready to help students instantly. Either way, you are certainly able to manage your primary source of income and still make some more money as an online tutor. Number 9. Become a professional organizer. Are you capable of sorting through a clutter of random stuff? Can you categorize and organize stuff in 2 rooms to fit into one? If yes, you can become a professional organizer. Basically, you'd have to organize workspaces or homes for perhaps sick or busy people. In addition to that, you may also be required to create well-organized and user-friendly systems for clients to make their lives easier and a little more comfortable. Number 10. Become a yoga instructor. So, I guess what I'm trying to say is, get paid to relax and teach others to relax. If you have a yoga teaching certification, you can channel the same energy to teach yoga to interested students and make your first $1,000. Most importantly, it can now be done physically and remotely. Your work time has now become even more flexible. Namaste. What's your take on this list of ways to make your first $1,000? Which one of them would you be trying out first? Thanks for watching this video. Please share your opinions in the comments section below, and remember to click the subscribe button to be the first person to watch new videos on this channel.